Right here, right now, new developments in the East Area Rapist case today. A judge setting a date for a preliminary hearing. And KC Area 3's Brian Heap joins us right now with today's dramatic moments that broke out in the courtroom today.
Golston Joseph DeAngelo was arrested in April of 2018. He faces charges of rape, robbery, and murder in several counties. Prosecutors say his crime spree lasted more than 10 years, from 1974 through the mid-1980s. Today, the judge decided it is now time for the case to move forward. DeAngelo walked into the courtroom today in his jail-issued orange pants and shirt. He shuffled into court and appeared a little unsteady on his feet. He also appears much thinner than when he was first arrested. The defense argued that to have a preliminary date set saying justice delayed is justice denied for the victims and their families, some of whom are in their 80s.
There is a clear necessity to set the matter for a preliminary hearing. The vast majority of the witnesses in this case are elderly. Under Marsy's law, the victim's family, the witnesses, and the people are entitled to have their day in court and to present the evidence in this case.
The defense says there's still a mountain of evidence to go through, and they said their side doesn't have nearly the same resources that the prosecution has to get ready for the case.
Because of the disparity of resources being provided to the prosecution from other counties and the lack of resources being provided to the defense from other counties, I would anticipate that we have approximately 1/6 of the staff the district attorneys have in prosecuting this case.
The judge rejected the argument by the defense and said the trial needs to move forward.
I am going to set the preliminary hearing for May the 12th in Department 9 at 8:30. That'll be yours.
You could hear some of the applause there from the gallery. Very rare for that to happen in a courtroom. The judge asked DeAngelo if he understood that this meant he was going to reappear in court on May 12th. At first, he didn't respond, but after conferring with his lawyers, DeAngelo responded with a yes and was then escorted back to his cell.